speeds of 40 kilometers per hour, dive up to depth of 180 meters, and they get Pedro, I'm telling everyone here how amazing you are. What's going on, Rachel?
Irfan, Pedro says he's upset with you.
Upset with me? What did I do?
He said that you forgot to mention something very important about him.
I forgot to mention something very important about him. Rachel, you should have told me this earlier. You see, guys, I forgot to mention that sea lions are very intelligent, especially Pedro over there is good looking. Look at him, all shy now. What a cheeky boy, right? But I think it's time to show how strong his flippers are with a flipper stand. And that is about 200 kilograms right off those two front flippers. You see that one more time, Pedro? Wow, look at that. Now do you know that sea lions are often mistaken for another animal called the true seal? Now true seal, unlike sea lions, have much shorter front flippers, and as a result they look rather funny on land. So right now, Pedro is going to show us what a true seal looks like on land. And how do they move on land, Pedro? Wow, pretty good imitation of a true seal. Now do you know that sea lions have very special hind fingers that rotate from left to right, allowing them to move easily on land. There we go, a couple of sprints for all of you. A little shuffle from left to right, and a roll over. Once again, let's all give it up for our superstar Pedro. Now you've seen how easily he moves on land. You've seen how strong his flippers are. Would you like to see how fast he can swim? Come on, guys. Would you like to see how fast Pedro can swim? Alright, Pedro, you heard them. Show us your fast swim. Rachel, fast swim, Rachel.
Irfan, Pedro says no.
No, but he's a sea lion. Who else is gonna swim?
He said earlier on he saw something big and scary in the pool.
Something big, something scary in the pool? Nonsense! I'm looking at the pool right now. There's nothing big and scary. Okay, you know what? Let's ask everyone here. Do you guys see anything big and scary in the pool? No, right? Pedro, you heard them. Let's go into the pool. He wants to check. Okay, go ahead. Alright, Pedro, you wanted to check. Go ahead. Look at that. He does not believe any of us. Alright, Pedro, if you think that the coast is clear, let's turn up the speed. Is that a shark? Pedro, if there was a shark, it would have you for dinner. Let's turn up the speed. And that is about 40 kilometers per hour, almost as fast as a moving car. Keep your eyes on Pedro with his streamlined body.